Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Open Gemini Photo Editor and sign into your Google account so edits sync. Import the image by tapping Import or dragging files from Google Photos. Choose the highest resolution available to preserve detail. Make sure autosave is on and pick JPG or PNG per your purpose. Once the photo loads, glance at EXIF and canvas size. That informs crop and AI tools. Don't stall on preferences. Pick sensible defaults and move straight to the first edit. You now perform the core edits. Apply AI Enhance to correct exposure, contrast, and color balance automatically because it saves time and reveals hidden detail. Next, use selective tools, heal or remove to clean distractions, then background blur or replace for depth. Work in layers and add masks so every adjustment stays non-destructive. That way you can tweak opacity and blend later. Make local corrections after global fixes. It's how you keep edits natural and consistent across the image. You finish by previewing the image at 100% to confirm sharpness, noise, and color cast. Small issues show up only at full size. Export using the correct format and quality percentage. Pick PNG for transparency, high-quality JPG for photos, and confirm resolution and metadata options. If you see halos or artifacts, undo the last adjustments, reduce sharpening, or apply denoise and local cloning. Make sure to save a layered copy for future edits. That prevents losing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.